Kani kedai bati CTV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, belawan Rashapi daga BDW International School Shillong, day boarding and daycare. Admissions open. Ringkat bat ka Orange Nissan Lumsopho near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Katnat social welfare jong sorkar jela haka khatwai tarik benai nailor arajar arpo kalapan benapat ba ya ka Meghalaya drugs abuse prevention policy arajar arpo kumshi bentaban ya kun persya ya ka jingkerni jong ki nongshong shnong ka jela haka badi ya ki jingdi pun buat kumu drug u ganja bat ki wei ki jingdi ki bakta ya ka longren yang jong ki brio bat ki ba pensniu dur haduk kata-kata ya ka imlang kasalang. Yakani ke Meghalaya Drugs Abuse Prevention Policy arajar arpo lapalait pait ba do Menteri Ketenat Social Welfare uba kermenshela uba lalong ukongsan hakajing yalang kabalalong ha Yojana Bhavan Main Secretariat Shillong bar hakajo kapor ulapan menapait baru ya ke State Level Nasha Mukt Bharat Campaign ya ka ba on sa pelong habaro ki khatwai tali ki district jong ka jilla. Yakani ke jingelang la sakhi langru da u Commissioner and Secretary jong Ketenat Social Welfare u Sampat Kumar bat kiwei.
I am also very happy to inform that Meghalaya Drug Abuse Prevention Policy 2020 is also being released today in spite of constraint due to COVID-19 pandemic. Drug addiction is emerging to be a serious problem in the country, having dangerous consequences not just to the person using drugs but on the family and society at large. The Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment being the nodal ministry for drug demand repression coordinates, implements and monitors several interventions which include prevention, assessment of extent of the problem, treatment and rehabilitation of users, dissemination of information and generation of awareness among public. To assess the magnitude of the problem of substance use in the country, Ministry has also done a comprehensive national survey on extent and pattern of substance use to ascertain the proportion of Indian population using various substances and those affected by substance use disorders. The major finding of the National Survey on extent and pattern of substance use in India is presented in the report Magnitude of Substance Use in India 2019. The report gives better understanding on current situation of drug abuse in the country as well as in the state. As per survey report, in Meghalaya, cannabis users is 1.68%, and independent is 0.15%. Opioids users is 6.34%, and dependence is 0.75%. Sedatives users is 0.95%, and dependence is 0.09%. Cocaine users is 0.05%. Dependence is 0.02%.